Hello you all, welcome back. Today as well we got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply change your username on Twitter. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, access your particular Twitter app on your mobile phone. Now tap on the profile icon on top left corner of the screen and tap on this option called settings and privacy, and tap on this drop down icon and tap on the settings and privacy afterwards, and tap on this your account option that is given on top right. So here in this section you're going to find this options of account information on top. Go ahead and tap on it, and there you go. You're going to find this username of yours, phone, email address, whatever information you want to edit, you can do it as well. And if you simply want to change your username, you're going to tap on this username option. And now go ahead, add in, simply delete this out, cross this username, and add in whatever username you want to change into. Once you're done, you can tap on this done option that is given below, and if in case it's not available, Twitter gonna tell you if this username is being used, you can change it accordingly, and tap on this done option afterwards, and then your username will be updated. You can go back to your profile, you can check out a username just right below over there. That is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.